Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. Is cellular data not working on your iPhone? Maybe your phone shows signal bars, but the internet won't load, apps aren't connecting, or you keep seeing could not activate cellular data. Don't worry, in this guide, I will show you several quick fixes to fix iPhone cellular data not working step by step. Let's get started. First, try turning cellular data off and back on. This refreshes your iPhone's connection to your carrier network. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on Cellular, and then turn cellular data off. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Now try opening a website or app to see if internet is working. Another quick way to reset your network connection is airplane mode. For this, open the control center and tap on airplane icon. Wait about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn airplane mode off again. Your iPhone will reconnect to the cellular network. If cellular data still isn't working, check your APN settings. APN stands for Access Point Name and it tells your iPhone how to connect to your carrier's data network. To check it, open Settings, tap Cellular, then tap on your SIM card. Now tap on Cellular Data Network. Make sure the APN information matches the settings provided by your carrier. If you're unsure, you can contact your carrier or check their website for the correct APN details. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary network glitches. Press and hold the side button and volume up or down buttons, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds and turn your device back on. Once it restarts, check if cellular data is working again. Carrier updates help improve your iPhone's connection to your network. To check for an update, open Settings, tap on General, and then tap on About. If a carrier settings update is available, you will see a pop-up. Tap Update to install it. If the problem continues, try resetting network settings of your device. This will reset Wi-Fi networks, cellular settings, and VPN configurations. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm the reset. After your iPhone restarts, reconnect and check if cellular data works. If cellular data still isn't working, the issue might be related to your SIM card. Try removing the SIM card using the SIM ejector tool. Take it out, wait a few seconds and insert it back into your iPhone. Then check if the cellular connection is restored. Software bugs can sometimes cause network problems. To check for updates, open the Settings app, tap on General, then tap on Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. If none of these fixes work, the issue could simply be network coverage. Try moving to another area or checking if your carrier is experiencing an outage. You can also contact your carrier to confirm there are no issues with your account. Those are several quick ways to fix iPhone cellular data not working issues. If one of these solutions worked for you, let us know in the comments below. And for more iPhone tips, fixes and hidden features, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.